Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI.
If you find that most bug repellent sprays smell so strong, and even after multiple applications, it's not even all that effective, this spray set from Ranger Ready has got you covered, literally. This spray truly is scent-free. One bottle is directly for on your skin, and the orange bottle is for clothing and gear and etc. I was amazed at how well this spray works. It's got a nice wide spray and the nozzle is of high quality. I like to go hiking, and there's nothing worse than being bombarded by mosquitoes and having itchy, bitten skin for the rest of the day. It's the worst. Well, let me tell you, this stuff works.
For an extra level of protection, you can spray your clothes with the orange bottle.
The next day, I sprayed my clothes as directed with the orange spray. I almost never saw a bug or mosquito. I stood still and I watched as they flew around me trying to land, but didn't. And the best part is, this application on your clothing lasts for 40 days, even with a couple of washings. I am never going back to bad smelling bug spray ever again because I'm so happy with how effective this spray is.
Ranger Ready provides an outstanding product, and that's my point of view.